Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view the incident reports in Kidsoft and review the incident report. On your home screen in Kidsoft on the right hand side, you will now see an incident report alert widget. Each time an incident report updates to the next status, the alert widget will update to identify an alert to the user that the incident report is at a particular stage. If you click on that alert widget, it's going to land you on the incident report menu in Kidsoft, and it will default to the specific status that you clicked on in the alert widget. This incident report menu is also located under the Families menu and under Children Incident Reports. When landing on this page from the Children's menu, it will automatically default to all statuses, excluding completed records. This is why this checkbox is defaulted. If you would like to view completed records, you can simply just uncheck the tick box and click search. You can also view a specific status or multiple statuses at once from this page. This is also handy if you want to list all of the incident reports for a specific child over a period of time. And you can also search by the specific type, whether it's serious or non-serious, or any other types that you have added in your own configuration. Also from this screen, in the action column, you can also view the PDF version of this report at its current state. This means if the report has only been completed on the first page, you will be able to see this page and all other pages will be blank. It will update live as the document is updated in Connect. When an incident report has been approved for a guardian to sign it and then completed, which means the guardian has signed the incident report, you will receive a notification. These notifications can be acknowledged once you have recognized and reviewed this particular record. Anybody with incident report notifications will be able to see these notifications. The incident report is located under the Reports menu, and under Family you will find Incident Reports. This looks very similar to the incident report screen under the Children's menu. It's just that this simply you can report on. So again, you can filter by a specific child, guardian or enrollment, by room, so it will pick up the room that the child was booked in on the day that the incident report was created. You can report on the specific types, the statuses, date range, and the child, whether they're active, inactive, or all. If you want to run all statuses but exclude the completed records, you can leave the status blank and simply just click the exclude completed records checkbox and click search. By unticking that checkbox, you can see that the completed has been added to the report. Just like all reports in Kidsoft, this can be searched on the screen, emailed out directly, generated into a CSV. There is a little bit more information on the CSV document, and it can be saved on print as a PDF. This report is available in both service and enterprise mode, and the user will need to have the operational reports user role access to view that report. For any further information on the incident report alert widget statuses or viewing the incident reports in Kidsoft, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.